Okay, well, today I want to talk about essential amino acids. I thought I knew a lot about protein and essential amino acids until I did a deep dive into it and then realized I was probably protein deficient and didn't even know it. So, protein it's an essential macronutrient, and you have to take in these amino acids. And like right here, we're looking at this, and it's saying amino acids are used to build and repair the body tissues like muscle, skin, organs, and bones. So it's very important that we get enough protein. Um, and then some of the roles that these essential amino acids play, because essential amino acids make protein, and then protein goes off, and then you make these things here. It's like for tissue growth, energy production, immune function, nutrient absorption, breaking down food, growing and repairing body tissue, and making hormones and brain chemicals such as neurotransmitters. So it's very, very important. Um, and one of the things we do is we look at a test. We can do a test on these amino acids here, and we can tell you if you are low or high in those amino acids. So this is a blood test, and we run this, and it gives us the exact ones that you're deficient in, or maybe you're too high in. And that lets us really know what's going on. A lot of people don't know this information's out there. I just kind of wanted to let you know. So here's an example. Isoleucine, that person, let's say the person was deficient in isoleucine. So what is isoleucine used for? It's the building block for proteins. It regulates sugar metabolism. So this is going to help if you're metabolic syndrome or something like that. Supports fat synthesis, also contributes to intestinal health, boosts your immune system, and helps control blood sugar, which is huge, and promotes muscle development and maintenance. So, you really want these things working for you. Again, the essential amino acids are the ones that you cannot make, you have to take in. And one of the best sources for that are eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of essential amino acids, okay? With the highest attainable protein digestible and amino. So these are the best. Bar none, eggs are the best. It goes eggs, then beef, fish, chicken, and then you can get into your plants. Okay. Eggs, just to give you an idea, if you were to break down eggs, it's about 50%. So if you take in, just say, for example, 100 grams of protein with eggs, you're only really going to get about 50%. You're only going to get 50 grams of protein. You lose it on the conversion. So what I try to tell people is you need about zero point 0.8 to 1 gram per body weight, because you're going to lose stuff on the conversion. So a guy who weighs 200 pounds is going to try to take in 200 grams of protein, but it's really not possible. I try to get in at least 100 grams of protein a day, and that's a lot. So if you want more, you're going to have to supplement with that. But anyway, the when you're looking at these things, you got to realize, what are these used for? What are these essential amino acids used for? And right here, it tells you, leucine helps with making protein and growth hormones. We all want growth hormones. Lysine involved in production of hormones and energy. Isoleucine, various hormones, including insulin. So that's going to help with your blood sugar levels, like we talked about. Glutamine it's going to help with your GI tract and human growth hormone. Arginine helps with human growth hormone. Those are all good. And you got to remember, human growth hormone is the fountain of youth. You want that. And histidine is a precursor to human growth hormone. So you want to be able to do those things. And then, like I said, if you were to eat protein for a meal, say sit down and eat 30, 40 grams of protein, you're not going to be hungry afterwards. You're not going to be snacking. And with that packaged foods or the carbohydrates, you are going to be hungry. You're going to crave more food within probably an hour or two and be grazing again. So what I tell people is try to eat 2 to 3 meals a day, have as much protein as you can, and then fill it in with vegetables or fruits. And that's how you get your sugars, through vegetable or fruits. And that's the good sugar. The bad sugar is the processed stuff. So try to stay away from that as much as you can, and try to get as much protein as you can. Anyway, I hope this information was helpful, and we'll bring you something next time. Thanks, guys.